This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Connie Gustafson. Sustainable living at its best. This beautiful San Remo floor plan features 3 bedrooms plus den, 2.5 baths, saltwater pool and spa, outdoor kitchen, golf cart garage with top-of-the-line golf cart, and is an energy-efficient total solar home which gives you a low-carbon footprint and energy-efficient environment with minimal energy costs. Owners have added over $170K in upgrades over the last few years, including the whole house solar electrical system, which is owned and conveys with the property. The system was installed in 2022 with an emphasis battery backup so you never lose power during outages. The solar system operates the appliances, air conditioner, all electrical systems, and pool equipment. Features include impact windows and doors, new electrical panel, new lanai cage and screening, new refrigerator and freezer, hard surface flooring and new paint. Pelican Preserve is an active 55-plus community with unrivaled amenities that include indoor and outdoor pools, pickleball, tennis, arts and crafts studio, woodworking shop, full-service spa, card rooms, dog park, billiards, fitness studios, indoor and outdoor restaurants, movie theater and more. Golf membership is optional. Regardless of your interests, you will find it here. You owe it to yourself to take a look. For more information, review the details below or contact Connie Gustafson at 239-482-5700.